Welcome. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the fastest-changing frontiers of project management. As technology, work habits, and methodologies advance, so must our approach to leading successful projects. Whether you're a seasoned leader or new to the field, you'll find actionable insights and forward-looking trends that shape the industry. Let's get started and connect for even more updates after the session. Let's outline today's exploration so you know what to expect. Here's how we'll navigate today's topic. First, we'll break down how AI and cutting-edge analytics are changing project dynamics. Then, we'll uncover best practices for leading remote and hybrid teams, a crucial skill in our interconnected world. Next, we'll examine the newest project methodologies fueling better results. Lastly, we'll summarize key takeaways that will help you stay ahead and succeed in a rapidly evolving discipline. With our roadmap in place, let's zoom in on the executive summary for a snapshot of where project management is headed. Project management is experiencing a true transformation thanks to artificial intelligence, automation, and powerful analytics. These aren't just buzzwords. They're game changers, freeing leaders from tedious, repetitive tasks and enabling a sharp focus on strategy and innovation. Imagine automating everything from resource scheduling to status reports, so you can devote more energy to leading your team and solving complex challenges. Real-time analytics do more than report progress. They alert you to potential problems before they escalate, giving you the upper hand in proactive decision-making. This shift is elevating project leadership, fueling more collaborative, creative, and resilient teams. But how do these technologies work in practice? Let's explore the specific ways AI and analytics are changing daily project management. Today's project managers are moving from task managers to strategic influencers, and technology is the catalyst. Hyperautomation combines the strengths of robotic process automation and artificial intelligence to make workflows smoother and more productive. AI-driven insights allow us to anticipate risks, allocate resources smarter, and act on real data instead of assumptions. Meanwhile, robust analytics platforms provide instant updates on your project's health, allowing bottlenecks to be resolved as soon as they appear. Automation takes care of the routine, repetitive chores, think scheduling or reporting, so project leaders can focus on building strong teams and engaging stakeholders. Smart workflow bots become invaluable, especially on large or always-on projects, keeping everyone aligned and on track. With technology transforming how we work, the rise of remote and hybrid teams is the next challenge and opportunity. Managing remote or hybrid teams isn't just about using virtual tools. It requires intentional leadership. Start by navigating time zones and cultural differences proactively. Strong communication and a focus on team morale are critical to preventing burnout and maintaining productivity. Digital project management platforms help teams assign tasks, update documents, and keep everyone informed in real time, no matter where they're working from. Dashboards and collaboration tools create transparent, frictionless workflows, whether working in sync or independently. Setting clear expectations is fundamental for distributed teams. Frequent check-ins using platforms like Teams, Zoom, or Slack help maintain accountability, motivation, and clarity, ensuring every team member feels supported and engaged. Of course, remote leadership success depends on both technology and the human touch. Let's look at the fundamental keys to making virtual project management work. The best virtual leaders combine strong tech skills, great communication, and genuine empathy. Continuous training keeps teams sharp and ready to adopt new tools or processes as needed. Recognizing effort and achievement through digital shout-outs or regular feedback keeps morale high even when working apart. Prioritizing well-being is equally important. Help your team set boundaries and ensure wellness resources are accessible. Above all, maintain transparent communication. Use collaborative platforms for regular dialogue, set up virtual stand-ups, or offer digital office hours. This openness fosters inclusivity, aligns everyone's efforts, and prevents misunderstandings before they start. With these foundations laid, let's explore how project methodologies themselves are evolving to meet the demands of the modern world. Project methodologies are rapidly adapting to new realities. AI and analytics are becoming partners to project managers, supporting, not replacing, their vital roles. Leaders today need to embrace change management as projects become increasingly dynamic. Sustainability and ethics are now at the forefront. Decisions are weighed not just for business outcomes but for climate impact, diversity, equity, and inclusion. These new metrics are just as critical to project approval as budget or timeline. Project teams are also blending methodologies. Instead of sticking strictly to Agile or Waterfall, many now combine elements from both, or even other frameworks, to design custom approaches tailored to each project's unique needs. This hybridization makes teams nimbler and more capable of delivering real value even as requirements shift. So, what skills will tomorrow's project leaders need to thrive? Let's find out. Tomorrow's standout project managers will need a holistic skill set. Cybersecurity and ethical use of data are non-negotiable. Trust hinges on transparency and responsible practices. Data literacy, digital transformation expertise, and the ability to guide cross-cultural teams will separate good leaders from great ones. While technical skills are critical, human-centered abilities, like communication, empathy, and negotiation, remain as important as ever. Organizations will increasingly build custom frameworks, combining Agile, Scrum, Kanban, Waterfall, Lean, and more for each challenge. The most successful PMs will be those who embrace flexibility, adapting tools and mindsets for the best project outcomes. Let's bring it all together with some final thoughts. As we wrap up, it's clear that the future of project management is dynamic and human-focused, supercharged by AI, analytics, and innovative methodologies. Leaders who embrace these changes, value people, and adapt with agility will be best prepared to deliver lasting success in this fast-moving landscape. Thanks for joining this exploration of trends and innovations in project management. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and lead with vision.